out of my way. I am on the hunt. Gotcha.
Hi, and welcome to Poptography. For today's On the Hunt, we went to the Warwick Mall to my favorite collectible store, the Toy Vault. And we picked up something pretty cool. So one of the things I wanted to say is, one thing that I really like about the Toy Vault is not only do they have a lot of great vintage stuff from all different genres, all different IPs, but in the Star Wars, they have so many vintage figures, Black Series, TVC, old school. They have stuff from the original Kenner line. They also sell loose figures. Now, they also sell Funko Pops, which, as you know, I've done a few stops there and reveals here on our channel. But they started doing loose Funko Pop. So Funko Pops without their packaging and box that they can resell. And they had some pretty cool ones. And we picked up none other than Palpatine. So very excited to have picked this guy up. I know Jedi Lex had recently acquired him through Slapshot Pops. This has been a grail. One of those ones that I never got. He kind of eluded me. The price was getting up there and trying to find one. But I found him for like 19 bucks and got him from Toy Vault as a loose. So let's take him out of the package and get a better look at him. So overall, the sculpt looks great. Doesn't seem like there's any real damage to palps here or anything, so nothing to worry about there. And it is the correct base and everything for him to sit on. So I think he's absolutely wonderful, and one that I am very excited to add to the collection, and probably going to get on my set here very soon. But wow, pretty cool. Love to hear in the comments if you've ever picked this guy up, and if you did, what's your thoughts on this version of Palpatine? He's one of the few that we don't have lightning in his hands or anything like that, so really cool. I like this old school Palps. Really, really cool OG Funko Pop. But let's get him on the turntable so you can get a better look at him. Today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the force be with you.